Okay, here's my back piece. This is the flap end. Here's my flap line right there at right about 3 inches. This is my first 9-inch section right here, and this is my second 9-inch section, and I have turned the both ends under, and over here I have got my 2 pieces of Velcro. On the bottom is the hook, and facing up is the loop, and they're both basted in place, so they're pretty stable, not going to go anywhere. And I have done that on both sides. There's the loop and there's the hook. Now we're going to pin it all in place, folding it, and I'll show you how we do that in just a sec.